Corcoran Dairy here. Yep, you guessed it. Today we're going to be baling some straw. We got the 4055 and the 338 baler. Got the old wagon there. We're going to be baling in the field. I did a video on combining. If you didn't see the video of combining, be sure to go check that out. So let's get to it. Well, the straw is nice and dry. We got a little bit of rain the other day. I had to rake it 2 days ago, yesterday, and I think this morning. So it dried pretty good. Nice and big stuff. Going through the baler really good. The 338's working real good. We've had that baler probably for about 25 years now. Never had any trouble with it. It's a wonderful baler. My grandfather bought it brand new. So yeah, doing pretty good. Well, so far we got about 15 to 20 acres of straw already baled. Got about another 20-25 left to bale. This is wheat straw. We do have about 12 acres of oat straw that we got to bale. My uncle combined our oats today. So yeah, we bale pretty much all of our straw this way with the small square baler. We use the straw for our cows. We got a tie stall barn for those of you that don't know. So yeah. This is really good bedding for the cows. We've always used straw. We always use straw and baled with the small square baler since 1952. Not that square baler, but yeah. So we do it a different way than the average person does. A lot of people use round balers, big square balers, and they have automatic bale stackers and stuff like that. But we use the wagons and stuff like that. So it can be fun, it can be hard, but we get a kick out of it. I would definitely say the wheat straw is way more better to bale because it's not quite as dusty as the oats. Oat straw can be very itchy and very dusty and very uncomfortable to work with. So the wheat is way more fun to bale, definitely. Alright, we just got back to the farm. Here's the wagon. We stacked it 6 high. So, looks pretty impressive. Usually we do 2 or 3 wagons a day, but today we ran out of time, so we were only able to do 1 wagon. So, that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.